Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, students. Today we are going to learn telling the time and making appointments. How would you tell the time to other person and how would you make appointments? So, what time is it right now for you? According to mine, it's 9:30. Okay. What is meant by 9:30? It's mean 9:30. So before going further, we just have to take a quick review of our previous lecture. So, such as we have discussed directions. Okay. So, I'm giving you 30 seconds for this. So, speak it up, what you have made practices. Okay. So, today you will tell the time in English, ask and answer what time, use a clock, half past, quarter past two, and make a simple appointment. So I say a time, the next person says 1 hour later. Teacher, it's 3 o'clock. You, it's 4 o'clock. Next. So these are the clock time that I have been mentioned. How native speakers speak. Like current, you can see the clock tells the time 7 o'clock. Okay. So like this, you can say 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Okay. So when the minute hand comes to the point 15, or you may say 3, it is called 7:15. In simple words, you can say, okay, 7:15. And on the other hand, you can say quarter past 7. I'm speaking it again, quarter past 7. Same as with 6:15, you would say quarter past 6. Same as 8:15, quarter past 8. So when it gets 7:30, you can say half past 7. Like 8:30, half past 8. And you will tell me in comments what would be 9:30. And when the time is 8:45, you can say quarter to 10. As you know, we say quarter 1/4. Okay. So it's mean that quarter left to be 9. So quarter to 9. 8:45, we can say quarter to 9. 7:45. What can we say? Quarter to 8. 6:45. What can we say? Quarter to 7. So like this, you have to make practice. So just say the numbers: 7:15, 9:30, 10:45. So morning or evening. AM represents to morning. PM denotes to afternoon and evening, such as you know, at night, 12 o'clock, the AM times start until noon, 12 o'clock. It will remain same for 12 hours AM. And after 12, the PM time start, noon, afternoon, and evening. And till night, 12 o'clock, it will remain same PM. Like the class is at 6 p.m. Okay, when you have to say to someone, you won't say the class is at 6 o'clock, but you have to say the class is at 6 p.m. So if someone asks, what time is it? So you can say it's 8:30, or you can say it's 8:30. What time does the class start? So you can say it starts at 6 p.m. What time do you get up? So you can say at 7 o'clock. So if someone asks, are you free at 3? So you can say, yes, I'm free. So if someone asks that, uh, are you free at 4? So you can say, sorry, I'm busy at 4. So the other person can ask for appointment. How about 5? Okay. So you also can say, can we meet at 5 o'clock? So how would you pronounce quarter, quarter, half past? Okay. So half past 7, it means 7:30. Quarter to 9, quarter to 9. So it's mean 8:45. So now read the clock further. So you can see at the clock, it's 9:10. Okay. On the other clock, you can see it's also you can see 3:25, but there is another way to say like 25 past 3. Okay. And the first clock that I have spoken now, you also can say 10 past 9. Okay. So 12:45, you also can say quarter to 1. And the fourth clock shows 6 o'clock. So this is just a model practice like person A, are you free tomorrow at 4? Person B, sorry, I'm busy at 4. Person A, how about 5? Person B, 5 is perfect. Person A, great, see you then. Person B, see you at 5. Bye. So this is practice that you have to make. I get up at 7 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. My English class is at 9 p.m. So this is that you have to make your own for making a plan, okay? Or for making an appointment, you also can make. So this is a practice that you have to make, and such as you are already making these kind of practice. So here you have to write 3 times, such as we studied earlier. So this is a quiz. So you have to mention what is the correct option. You will tell me in the comment box. So there are some common mistakes that some people make, like half to 7. No, it would be half past 7. So quarter past to 9. No, it is quarter to 9. It's mean 8:45. The class is in 6 p.m. No, the time is exact. So you will use at. The class is at 6 p.m. What time it is? No, the actual word is what time is it? So after making some practices, you will be able to tell the time exactly. You can ask and answer what time it is. You can use AM and PM, past and to. And after making some practice, I'm hopeful that you can make a simple appointment too. So this is your homework. Say 10 different times aloud. use both ways, simple and classic. Prepare to make an appointment. You will plan our meeting next class. So record 5 times plus one appointments, and you have to make your recording like 60 to 90 seconds. And you have to be over there clear and confident. So it's wonderful work today. So thank you. See you next time. And if you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. Take care. Bye bye.